This video will show you how to use the drop-in counseling feature at Citrus College. You can access the drop-in counseling link from the Counseling and Advisement Center website by clicking here. You will then enter your Citrus College student ID number and your birthday to log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the blue drop-in button. You will then be taken to the screen shown here. Your contact information will likely appear automatically, but go ahead and check to be sure everything is correct before moving on. If you would like to opt into text reminders, you can click on the box on the right. Next, choose whether you would like the counselor to reach out to you via phone or if you prefer to meet over a video Zoom meeting. The last step is to choose the reason for your meeting. You must select something from this list. Once you're completed with this page, click Continue at the bottom. This screen will appear when you have been added to the list to be contacted. You do not need to do anything at this time. You will be assisted in the order that you joined the drop-in list. Once a counselor is ready to meet with you, this screen will appear. If you chose to have the counselor call you, be sure to have your phone nearby and remember that the number may appear as blocked or restricted. If you chose to have the counselor meet with you via Zoom, this screen will come up and you can click the link to join the meeting. You may be prompted to enter a meeting password, which can be found here. You will also receive an email with the link and password that you can use to join the meeting as well. If you are not already logged into Zoom, you may need to log in after clicking the meeting link. If you have any questions about this process or need any assistance, please reach out to the Counseling and Advisement Center for help.